Hello. I'm Oriana from Zeisel Networks. Welcome to our Tech Talk. In our last episode, we discussed strategic AP placement to achieve a stable connection. This week, we'll continue guiding you on how to establish a secure and reliable wireless network. In wired network, signals are transmitted between devices through cables. While in Wi-Fi transmission, data travels through wireless radio waves in the air. This approach inherently presents two risks. Firstly, messages can be intercepted by anyone. And secondly, compared to wired networks where devices connect directly to network ports, identifying users accessing the wireless network is more challenging. Given these characteristics, it's crucial to implement specific settings to enhance network security. This not only ensures data remains encrypted, but also prevents unauthorized access, thus safeguarding the network's resources from unauthorized users. Among the various methods available, the simplest yet most crucial one is setting up a password. The Wi-Fi password serves two purposes. Firstly, it allows only authorized individuals to access the network. And secondly, it encrypts transmitted wireless data, ensuring the confidentiality of wireless communication. As a result, even if someone intercepts your packets, they won't be able to decipher the payload. The process of setting a password is straightforward. On the Nebula Control Center, navigate to the Wi-Fi SSID settings page, select the SSID you'd like to configure, and enter your preferred password. Please note that it's important to choose a strong password containing a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, special characters, and at least 8 characters. After completing the password setup, your network security attains a foundational level of protection. Moving forward, we can address factors that might impede wireless speed and utilize the following methods to guarantee network stability. To begin, we can create distinct SSID for varying network purposes and configure a setting known as rate limiting. In a typical household network, there may be a need to support various applications, such as gaming for kids, remote working, or general usage for other family members. If all activities share the same SSID, the gaming usage might consume an excessive amount of bandwidth, resulting in reduced transmission quality for other applications. To circumvent this, we can first generate 3 separate SSID, each tailored to a specific application. For instance, the first SSID is intended for general use, the second one is exclusively designated for gaming, and the third is dedicated to work-related traffic. Regarding rate limiting, since prioritizing work-related traffic is paramount, no additional restrictions will be placed on it. This ensures ample bandwidth for your professional tasks. For the general usage SSID, we can cap its speed at 5 megabits per second, while assigning gaming SSID 10 megabits per second, which remains more than sufficient for most regular online activities. By employing this approach, we can ensure equitable distribution of bandwidth among each network, guaranteeing a seamless and gratifying experience for all users without compromising the quality of your work connection. The third tip we'll be discussing today involves prioritizing the 5 GHz and 6 GHz radio frequencies. Among several methods, the simplest approach is to lower the output power of the 2.4 GHz. By default, access points broadcast signals at maximum output power across all radio frequencies. However, the 2.4 GHz signal possesses greater penetration capabilities due to its physical characteristics. Therefore, in edge areas of a venue, 2.4 GHz signal is usually stronger than signals from other frequencies. Consequently, some devices might consistently remain connected to the 2.4 GHz band. As we're aware, the 2.4 GHz radio frequency is vulnerable to interference. Therefore, encouraging devices to connect to the other 2 frequency bands can lead to a more stable Wi-Fi connection without interruptions. By reducing the output power of the 2.4 GHz band, we can achieve more uniform coverage across multiple radio frequencies. Devices will then consider additional factors such as transmission rates when selecting a frequency, resulting in an enhanced user experience. To adjust the output power, locate the settings on the Radio Settings page of the Nebula Control Center. We provide various options for swift and straightforward adjustments, tailored to the number of APs in your environment. Simply choose the option that best matches your site, and the power settings will be automatically optimized. Today, we've explored the characteristics of Wi-Fi transmission and the associated risks. Furthermore, we've introduced 3 tips for achieving a secure and stable wireless network. By adhering to these guidelines, you can relish a stable wireless network service without disruptions. Well, that's it for today's Tech Talk. We hope this episode has provided you with valuable insights and guidance to fortify the security and stability of your network. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.